To begin the process of assembling the Baby Boundex, thread one frame piece through the corner holes in the spandex bed. Take a second frame piece and thread the leg that lines up with the bolt holes in the first leg through the bed to meet the first piece. Repeat the process with the other two leg frames. Boundex assembly is most easily accomplished with two people. That way one person can hold and stabilize various parts and pieces while the other person attaches them. The Boundex is designed to provide resistance, so assembling the final pieces requires stretching and holding the legs in place while attaching the nuts and bolts. Once the frame with the bed is complete, simply add the layers by threading the cords through the corner channels and attaching to the legs. For a snug stretch, wrap the cords twice around both legs. Finally, place the spandex ring around the entire unit and your Baby Boundex is ready for use.